Welcome to Dev English Lab. I'm Mia, the project manager.
I'm Jordan, the developer.
And I'm Sarah, the QA engineer. Today, we are making a change to the database schema. Let's get started.
Let's jump right in. We have a database change to review today.
Morning, Mia.
Morning, everyone.
Jordan, can you walk us through the schema change?
Sure. Yesterday I wrote the script for the new phone number column. I tested it on my local database and it worked fine.
We tested same script on staging last night.
And? How did it go, Sarah?
Well, adding the constraint took almost 10 minutes. And it logged the whole user's table the entire time.
Did anyone else notice the lock?
Yeah, a few of my test scripts failed while it was running.
10 minutes? That's cutting it close.
Yeah, if we lock the table in production, people can't log in.
We really can have that happen during work hours.
That's why I wanted to raise it early.
I really appreciate the heads up, Sarah. So, Jordan, what's the plan for today?
Well, I think we should roll this out in stages.
What do you mean by stages?
First, we add the column itself, with no constraint yet. That part only takes a few seconds.
And the constraint?
We add the constraint later tonight, after most people log off.
So the table won't lock during the day?
Right, and I'll also build the index at the same time. We need the index so search stays fast once the column fills up.
That's much safer. I really like that plan.
Okay, let's take it one step at a time then.
I can update the script this morning.
Great, Sarah. Can you retest it on staging after that?
Sure, I'll test it again this afternoon.
Perfect. What if something goes wrong tonight?
Good question. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I'll also prepare a rollback script, just in case.
That's smart. Let's walk through this together before you run it.
Sounds good. Are you free around 6?
I am. I'll block that time on my calendar.
I can join too, in case anything looks off.
Great teamwork, everyone.
As long as nobody asks me to roll back my dinner plans, too.
Let's hope not.
Or the users notice at all.
That's the dream. A totally invisible change.
Okay. Any other blockers, Jordan?
No, that was the only one. I feel good about the plan now.
Good. This was a really solid discussion.
Thanks, this was actually a calm stand-up.
Yeah, way calmer than I expected.
Great job, team. See you at 6.
See you then, Mia. See you, Sarah.
Bye everyone. Good luck tonight, Jordan.
Okay, that felt like a pretty real stand-up, right? Serious at first, but we found a safe way through it.
Yeah, and I'm glad we planned it out properly.
Alright, let's pick out some of the best phrases from that. I said, let's jump right in. Did you catch that one, Jordan?
Yeah, that's a fast way to start a busy meeting.
Exactly. It means let's begin without any delay. We use it when there's a lot to cover. Say it with me. Let's jump right in.
Let's jump right in.
One more time.
Let's jump right in.
You heard me say, that's cutting it close.
Yeah, I felt a bit worried right when you said that.
We use it when a timeline is almost too tight to be safe. Say it with me. That's cutting it close.
That's cutting it close.
One more time.
That's cutting it close.
I said, I really appreciate the heads up.
So that's for when someone warns you early, right?
Exactly. It means thank you for telling me before it became a problem. Try it. I really appreciate the heads up.
I really appreciate the heads up.
One more time.
I really appreciate the heads up.
Jordan, you said, I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Yeah, that's basically how I approach every risky change now.
It means I prefer to take a careful step now than regret it later. Say it with me. I'd rather be safe than sorry.
I'd rather be safe than sorry.
One more time.
I'd rather be safe than sorry.
I said, let's take it one step at a time.
I remember feeling calmer right after that.
We use it to slow things down when a task feels big or risky. Try it. Let's take it one step at a time.
Let's take it one step at a time.
One more time, with confidence.
Let's take it one step at a time.
Last one. I said, let's walk through this together.
That's a nice way to offer support, actually.
We use it when we want to check something as a team before it runs. Try it. Let's walk through this together.
Let's walk through this together.
One more time.
Let's walk through this together.
Okay, that's the phrases done. Nice work. Let's look at a few important words now.
Oh, the database words? Let's do it.
First term, schema.
That's the overall structure of the database, right?
Exactly. For example, we're making a change to the database schema. Let's say it together 3 times. Schema, schema, schema.
Schema. Schema. Schema.
Next word, rollout.
So a rollout is how we release a change step by step.
Exactly right. For example, we planned a careful rollout for tonight. Together 3 times. Rollout, rollout, rollout.
Rollout. Rollout. Rollout.
Next, constraint, a useful database word.
That's a rule the database checks on the data, right?
Yes. For example, we'll add the constraint later tonight. Together 3 times. Constraint, constraint, constraint.
Constraint. Constraint. Constraint.
Next, index, a short word with a big job.
That's what makes searching the table faster?
Exactly. For example, I'll build the index once the column is ready. Together 3 times. Index, index, index.
Index. Index. Index.
Last one, rollback.
That means undoing a change if something breaks, right?
Exactly. For example, I'll prepare a rollback script just in case. Together 3 times. Rollback, rollback, rollback.
Rollback. Rollback. Rollback.
Nice work with those words. Now let's try shadowing.
Shadowing. Copying the sound and the rhythm, right?
Exactly. You listen, then say it right after me with the same feeling.
Okay, let's do it.
This sentence uses if, a simple conditional. It shows a clear cause and a clear result. Slow version. If we lock the table in production, people can't log in.
If we lock the table in production, people can't log in.
Now full speed. If we lock the table in production, people can't log in. If we lock the table in production, people can't log in.
Together, 2 times. If we lock the table in production, people can't log in. If we lock the table in production, people can't log in.
This one sounds careful, and it explains a good reason. Slow version. I'd rather be safe than sorry, so I'll prepare a rollback script.
I'd rather be safe than sorry. So, I'll prepare a rollback script.
Full speed. I'd rather be safe than sorry, so I'll prepare a rollback script. I'd rather be safe than sorry, so I'll prepare a rollback script.
Together, 2 times. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'll prepare a rollback script. I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I'll prepare a rollback script.
This last one sounds calm and confident, a great way to suggest a plan. Slow version. Let's take it one step at a time and roll this out in stages.
Let's take it one step at a time and roll this out in stages.
Full speed. Let's take it one step at a time and roll this out in stages. Let's take it one step at a time and roll this out in stages.
Together, 2 times. Let's take it one step at a time and roll this out in stages. Let's take it one step at a time and roll this out in stages.
Okay, that's our practice for today. Before we go, let's review the key phrases from today.
Sure, let's go through them.
Let's jump right in.
That's cutting it close.
I really appreciate the heads up.
I'd rather be safe than sorry.
Let's take it one step at a time.
Let's walk through this together.
Honestly, I'd rather be safe than sorry is the one I want you to keep, Jordan.
Thanks, Mia. It's kind of become my motto this week. By the way, if you want to hear this stand-up again, every episode is on our website.
It's englishlab.cloud and it's completely free.
You can replay the audio and read along with the full transcript whenever you like.
Keep practicing a little every day. It really does add up. Thank you for practicing with us today.
Keep listening, keep practicing,
Take care of your English.
and take care at work.
This is Mia.
And I'm Jordan. See you in the next one.